Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Internet Download Manager. So let's get started. For this, you will need to have a Google Chrome or any web browser. In the Google Chrome address bar, you need to type Internet Download Manager and press enter. You will get the first link internetdownloadmanager.com. Now this is the home page for Internet Download Manager. On this home page, you can see this software accelerates your downloads by up to 8 times, and they have completed their 20 years IDM anniversary with the 2 million plus registered users. So what this software does, IDM, it's a download accelerator to increase download speeds by up to 8 times, resume, file download, organize and schedule downloads functionality it provides. So this software comes with 30 days free trial. So we are going to try this free trial option. You can also buy this software. Now if you see the functionality, it comes with the faster download and it is more reliable. It has built-in powerful download engine. Also, this Internet Download Manager, it supports all the popular browser. So you can install the extensions. For example, if I'm using this Google Chrome and if I want to install IDM extension, I can click on this link and just click on Add to Chrome. Software is in the market since 1999. If we move forward, download selected files with one click. All these features is also there. Then you can download files from your favorites website as well. See, you will get the button to download. Next is built-in scheduler. So Internet Download Manager can connect to the internet at a set time and download the files you want, disconnect or shut down your computer when it is done. So it comes with the built-in scheduler. Next is the download categories it provides. You can see on the screenshot on the left side. And next is the customizable interface. So it provides you the functionality to change the icons, change the theme. It comes with the dark mode and light mode. You can also apply different skins to it. So all these features are provided. Now let's move forward and download the software. Download Internet Download Manager. We'll click on this button. Once we click on this button, it is going to start download the setup file. Click on this open button. You will get a pop-up. Select yes. I'll minimize this web browser. Now on this installation screen, click on next. Click on I accept the terms and the license agreement. Click on next. Create an icon for the IDM on desktop. I have kept this checked. This is the destination folder where the software will get installed. If you want, you can change it, but I would recommend go with the default directory. And click on next and click on next. So this is going to install all the required files on this computer. Click on finish. Now it is given a pop-up for the Google Chrome integration. So we can download and install IDM plugin for the Google Chrome. So I'll click on close, click on OK. So this is the desktop icon for Internet Download Manager. I'll double click on it to start. You'll get this tip for the day. I'll click on close. Okay, so this is the interface. On the left hand side, you can see the categories. You can add a specific URL from where if you want to download manually, you can delete options, scheduler. Okay, a lot of features are there. Now let's download some file and see the interface. We'll try to download Windows 11 ISO file. Press on enter. So this is the link, 64-bit. So if it starts to download over here, it is 5.4 GB and it is showing 8 hours left, 12 hours left. Means it is time is getting increasing and this file is so huge, it is going to take a lot of time to download. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to download the same file through IDM. Okay, I'll just right click, copy link address, and add it over here, manual, click on OK, and I'll click on start download. So now look at the speed. See, this is how the interface is once you add a link, a URL. So now we have added the URL manually just because we have not enabled the Google Chrome extension for the IDM. Once we enable that extension, and if we download any file from the web browser from Google Chrome, so after clicking on the download link, automatically that link will be captured by this Internet Download Manager and it will be added over here. Okay, or else you can also do manual add. You can manually add the URL over here with add URL button, and it is going to start download of this file. Now if you look carefully, this file of 5.418 GB, okay, it's a huge file and it is getting downloaded. Okay, but it is getting downloaded in different parts, and after the download is completed, it is going to get assembled as a single file. So that increases the download speed. Okay, so this file is anyways going to take a longer time, but it is going to take a lesser time than downloading it through the web browser. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.